Would you like to learn how, in less than 10 short minutes, how I managed to help my clients, all of my clients, to grow their lists of prospects, guaranteed, and opened the door to potentially 65% more prospects, guaranteed, using 10 simple ideas? Plus, if you hang around for a few mercifully short minutes, I'm going to show you an incredible offer, only available for the next 72 hours, where I'm going to help you together with my team to get started or to get better at building your lead lists for free by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. My name is Paul PG McKeown, and this is my message. I help executive business coaches to build your first 2 magic funnels, sales funnel, a sales pipeline, to convert high-ticket clients by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way through my iCanDOur 8-step digital marketing roadmap, so that you can get to 6 online clients per month from 90 days from the launch date, guaranteed, or I'll buy them back from you. This is a simple funnel on the left-hand side of this picture. And on the right-hand side, there's a slightly more complicated diagram, but it's still in essence the same thing. It's taking these videos, which we put up to YouTube, which we put up to Facebook. And if you haven't heard of YouTube or Facebook or a sales pipeline or something that we call email marketing, believe you me that this course is not right for you, okay? So if you have heard of these things, please stay tuned for this important information, because what we do is we simply convert these people via a landing page, which contains an opt-in form. The opt-in form simply has an email and a first name, email address, first name. And then from there, we take them through a process which we call a VSL, a video sales letter, where each day in their email inboxes, we send them 1 trust video, really short email with a lovely little short video, just like the one that I'm showing you now on your screen. After that, perhaps 30 days, perhaps 60 days, perhaps 90 days from now, those people will, if they are constantly receiving value from you, valuable based information, you're not trying to sell them, you're just genuinely trying to help them by actually helping them, they will eventually turn around and book a call with you, as long as you name your call. I call it a business upgrade call. So they book a business upgrade call with you, they receive the call instructions, and then perhaps, just perhaps, they will become a client. They will become a client. So this is the 8-step process that I call, yes, iCanDOur, digital marketing practice. So please stay tuned to the end of this mercifully short video. And without further ado, let's get started. Hi there. Now, first of all, as a coach, let me ask you a simple question. Are you getting paid what you're truly worth? I mean, are you really, really getting paid what you're truly worth? Now, let me share a few screens with you, if I may. This is what I see as the problem. Are you, the coach, getting really paid what you are truly worth? Now, there is a solution. What you can do is you can partner up with us to leverage the unique power of video in a dramatically different way through our iCanDOur 8-step digital marketing roadmap. And let me show you why. Because whenever you do this, then you start to experience something that I call transformational benefits. In other words, outcomes. And let's see then what we could achieve over the next 90 days. You see, it's my firm belief that if you are an ambitious entrepreneurial coach, of any ilk, of any shape, of any fashion. But if you are an action taker, I can help you to reach 5 to 7 high-ticket prospects within the next 90 days. So in other words, 90 days from the date of launch, guaranteed, or we will do it for you for free. These are the tools that we're going to be using. Now pay close attention to this part, because first of all, what we're going to start off with is we're going to start off with a quiz, a poll, a survey, a scorecard. Any of those people out there, for example, people like Daniel Priestley, people like Genesis Digital, people like Mike Falsamy, people like Russell Brunson on LinkedIn. It doesn't matter if you're on LinkedIn, if you're on Facebook, if you're in email marketing, all of these techniques and tools, they work. This is an essential tool, and this is why it's at number 1. And number 2, we use something which we hope that you've all heard of, especially because you're watching this video on YouTube. So this is YouTube. Now, the third thing, again, I hope that you've heard of both of these platforms. These are the social media behemoths that we call Facebook and LinkedIn. And then finally, at number 4, we've got something that we call email marketing, but with a strange adjective at the top of it. It says video email marketing. All it basically is, it's a little email with a video encapsulated inside it, a really short video where you solve a specific problem. Like, for example, this video, what we're doing is we're trying to show you, the coach, how we could potentially work together to solve the problem and to make sure that you are truly getting paid what you are worth. Okay. And plus, there's a really special bonus offer. If you complete our avatar audience assessment analysis, that's a mouthful, our avatar audience assessment analysis today, then we're going to send you a very special gift exclusively for you. And yes, Catherine, there, you're absolutely right. It does include chocolate. So anyway, this is our message. What we do is we help coaches to truly get paid what they're worth by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way and helping you to show up like nobody else on this planet through our iCanDOur 8-step digital marketing roadmap, so that you can reach 5 to 7 high-ticket prospects within the next 90 days, guaranteed, or we will do it for you. So remember, whether you are an action coach in London, whether you're a leadership training coach in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, whether you're a digital marketing coach in Dubai and the United Arab Emirates, whether you're an early years mentoring coach in Essex, England, whether you are a legal transcription coach in Ankara and Turkey, whether you're a breastfeeding coach in Birmingham, whether you're a CDL mentoring coach from Louisiana, from Texas, or from Alabama. And I hope that's the abbreviation for Alabama. I didn't have a chance to check, Herman, and I apologize. I guessed, but I know for the other two, it's correct. And even if you're a stand design coach from Berlin, Germany, or a boxing coach from London, England, or a roller skating coach from right down the road here in Poznan in Poland, or if you're an app development coach with an app development agency from Bydgoszcz, again in Poland, or even if you're a phenomenal dance coach, a dance fitness coach, they're in Dublin, Ireland, then what we do is we are dedicated. This is our sole mission, to help coaches to grow their business, to help coaches just like you to grow your business. Now, how do we do this? You see, we do this by, first of all, we invite them and we indoctrinate them. We invite them there because indoctrination covers about 22 social touch points. And we show you how to do this quickly and easily by leveraging the power of video. So we invite prospects into your life story, into your life message, and we help you to show up like nobody else on this planet. And then what we do is we have to captivate their attention. And we do this by answering the exact problems that are going on right now, right this very moment, inside the heads of your ideal targeted avatar. So we work with you through these assessed questionnaires, through these scored questionnaires, to build a picture of your ideal audience, your ideal client, your ideal avatar. And then we work with you step by step through dramatically different marketing techniques. And we show you how to nurture these prospects, how to make them feel truly special, cherished, like a real member of your community, how to make sure that they receive valuable information for free from you, and then how to do things dramatically different from their avatar. And this is why you see in my logo that the do is a very, very special part of the logo. It's with those encapsulated, just like the HPO, where we're trying to show the symbiosis, the linkage between the D and the O. So this is all about doing things dramatically different, showing up just like nobody else on this planet on the front page of Google, on Google page 1. And how are we doing that? We're doing this through video. And then we're taking advantage of these opportunities. We're climbing the mountain peak. We're looking all around us, and we show them that there are incredible opportunities from a 360-degree perspective. And I know math is not an exact science, but I hope that's the number of degrees in a circle. Understand. Then we help them to understand their own uniqueness and why they have a unique underdog advantage, And then finally, what we do is we do this technique. It's from a marketing guy called Dan Kennedy, and it's called results rule period. We analyze, because this is what we are. You know, my background is I'm a business analyst, and we analyze the results. We rinse, in other words, we get rid of, just like what you would do with your salad spinner, with your lettuce leaves, with your green leaves. You would get rid of the excess water with maybe any harmful little things that you don't want. We rinse, we get rid of what's not working, and instead we concentrate, we focus on what is working well. And then we try to do that 2x, 3x, 10x according to your budget. So in other words, we multiply your ROI, your return on your investment. And this is how we do it. Then this is the screen there. And what we're trying to show you here is that we start here. We've got this little character that my daughter named Cuthbert for some reason. And she's holding a roadmap. And this is the part there that she's starting at in the journey. So she goes through the steps of indoctrination, the social media touch points, captivating her attention, then answering her questions, answering the problems that are the challenges, the blind spots that are going on right now, this very second, inside Cuthbert's head. Then we go up to nurture. We nurture. We provide valuable information there, and we make this prospect feel truly special. Then we deliver. We deliver by showing up like nobody else on this planet. And then we help them to rise the ladder, to rise up the mountain peak, and then to explore the opportunities that are all around them, All they have to do, as one of my clients said, is bend down to pick them up, And then after that, we go off to understand. We have to understand their uniqueness. We have to understand, we have to make them understand that they are playing the trump card. They are playing with their underdog advantage. And this is truly powerful. And then finally, we go to the results rule. We rinse, get rid of, we review, and we repeat. We repeat and we repeat and we repeat. There, whatever is working really, really well. And as long as it keeps working really well, then we keep doing it again and again and again. Now, my question to you is very simple. Would you like to join us? Would you like to partner up with us on a digital marketing journey like no other? Like the one there that I've just shown you in that slide. It's an incredible journey, and it's a journey that we call iCanDOur, because each of the starting letters of that framework shows you the product value roadmap ladder. Okay, this is the journey that I want to take you on. And the people that I believe that this works best for are coaches. So what we do is we take you from a before and after perspective. We show you, we teach you, we coach you. We coach the coaches how to produce the ideal customer avatar how to analyze how they're feeling their day, etc., and then how to take you, the coaches, through to the other side from a digital marketing perspective. We are not coaches, we are digital marketeers. And this is the journey that we would like to take you on. So if you are interested, if you would like to partner up with us, we're not looking for clients. What we're looking for is we're looking for people who would provide exceptional value. So if you think there that you are a decision maker, if you are an ambitious entrepreneurial coach, then please reach out. We do have a few spots. They are very, very limited. The link is in the comments section below. Please like it. There should be a red button there. It should say subscribe, so you'll get notified every time we drop a new video onto YouTube. And then please click on the link below. It's in the top section of the comments, the very, very first comment. Click on that link, and then we'll take you over to our website. And then if you're lucky, then we would really, really like the chance to talk with you and to see how we can move things forward. And remember, don't forget to take our assessment, analysis, audience, avatar challenge today. Okay, we're going to post that in the link in the comments at the top. So thank you all very, very much for watching. And today we have been talking about the avatar audience assessment analysis worksheet. Okay, and the product journey. So this is me, PG Mac, saying peace out. Bye for now. Hello, everybody. And thank you once again for watching today's video. We hope you got a lot of value from it. Now, remember, we are social. And here are our contact details at the moment appearing on your screen. Now, remember, these are the 3 types of things that we do dramatically different in this wonderful world of digital marketing. We focus on 3 things: the power of video by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. Number 2, we help you to build your list, even if you've got a very small list. And we also help you to retarget the people that are already on your list. Now, the third thing that we help people to do is we help them to build a sales pipeline, something that we call a magic sales 11x funnel. And remember, everything is fully guaranteed by our 60-day super duper titanium plated money back, one conditional guarantee. Don't forget about the one condition. You have to do the work. And also, here's the link for, as we promised at the beginning of the video, for our free 60-day video training series challenge. This is vts.icandour.net. And if you would like to book a free one-on-one strategy call, a business upgrade call with myself, PG Mac, here are the details. It's calendar.icandour.net. If you click on that link, then it will take you straight over to my calendar. And if you're lucky enough, there may be 1 or 2 slots still available to talk with me. Okay, those are the contact details once again. So we look forward to hearing from you. And please remember, reach out with any questions or comments that you may have. And remember to like us and subscribe, hit the little bell notification icon below. And we look forward to seeing you very much in tomorrow's video. Thank you once again. And this is me, PG Mac, saying peace out. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.